I can't believe Apple is actually doing this. The MacBook Pro we've always dreamed of is finally coming, and today, I'll give you an early look at its redesign and all the new features. Every major part of this laptop is getting an upgrade, so let's dive in. First, let's talk about the design. Apple has been slimming down its products for years, from the iPad Pro to the Apple Watch and the iPhone Air, and the MacBook Pro is next. The new chassis is expected to be lighter and thinner than the current model, sitting perfectly between the current MacBook Pro and the ultra-slim MacBook Air. This makes it easier to carry without sacrificing internal performance. Next up, the display. Apple is moving from mini LED to full OLED for the first time on a Mac. OLED brings superior contrast, true blacks, and a richer viewing experience. Rumors also suggest a tandem stack design for higher brightness, making it one of the best-looking screens Apple has ever made. But here's the real game changer: a touchscreen MacBook Pro. For the first time, you'll be able to interact directly with your Mac's display. Apple is designing a special hinge to minimize wobble, ensuring a stable experience. While we'll have to see how macOS handles touch alongside the traditional mouse pointer, this could redefine the way we use a Mac. Another major change is the introduction of Dynamic Island, replacing the controversial notch. This will slim down the bezels, balance the display, and integrate live activities, similar to the iPhone experience. It's a much-needed update after 5 years of the notch. Dynamic Island will also pave the way for improved FaceTime video. Expect 4K quality with an 18-megapixels camera, bringing crystal-clear video calls, finally catching up with modern standards. As for authentication, Touch ID will remain for now. Face ID on the Mac is still a few years away, so your MacBook Pro will keep the familiar keyboard sensor for the time being. Now, the heart of the machine: the M6 Pro and M6 Max chips, Apple's first 2nm architecture processors. These promise more transistors, higher performance, and greater efficiency. Early benchmarks suggest 15% CPU gains and 30% better power efficiency, all while maintaining the MacBook Pro's impressive 24-hour battery life. One note: the OLED display may be limited to higher-end M6 configurations, with base models sticking to mini LED. It's a small catch, but understandable given the cost of OLED panels. A new rumor that's really exciting: cellular connectivity for the Mac. Think iPad-style Wi-Fi plus cellular, perfect for people on the go. Apple's efficient C-series modem could keep battery life strong, even with constant connectivity. Of course, all these upgrades come at a price. Expect the new MacBook Pro to cost a couple $100 more than the current generation. But with the redesigned chassis, OLED touchscreen, Dynamic Island, M6 chips, better camera, and potential 5G, it could be worth the extra cost. The release is likely late 2026 or early 2027. There's a lot to look forward to with this MacBook Pro, and I couldn't be more excited. If you are too, drop a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to launch.